In whatever form it takes, innovation is the one thing that has allowed our society to survive and thrive throughout history. Because the world's environment and markets are changing more rapidly, and new challenges are constantly evolving, there is a demand for a different approach to innovative thinking. Texas Instruments is meeting the modern challenges of innovation with a strong commitment to research and emerging technology. And a major part of that commitment is TI Silicon Valley Labs. Located in the heart of one of the world's capitals of innovation, TI Silicon Valley Labs are a center of excellence for applied research in analog and mixed-signal semiconductor technology. Comprised of 4 distinct lab environments, TI Silicon Valley Labs are engaging dozens of innovators from within the company and from outside research centers, with a focus on disruptive, game-changing innovations.
What makes Silicon Valley Labs model unique is not a single element, but a combination of these elements that we are looking at in terms of collaboration with research centers in a way that we work together to understand opportunities and to develop new ideas, disruptive innovation, and at the same time working with our business units and making sure that we have a right way to collaborate with them to bring these ideas to a performance and quality of a product in Texas Instruments. So having these seemingly conflicting requirements in one organization requires a different model, and we don't ignore the disruptive aspect of innovation, which requires really out-of-the-box thinking.
TI Silicon Valley Labs leverage the rich talent pool and value network that is a vital part of the Silicon Valley. And part of that value network involves close collaboration with top universities and their students, both locally and internationally.
I believe that TI has always been a natural partner for a lot of things we do here. This combination of technology integration, mixed signal, data access, wireless technologies. There's no question about it that TI has been on the forefront of all those particular activities. So if I look at where we're heading here, and can only see good things happening if you really have one of the strongholds in the areas that we're interested in, being in our proximity and be able to collaborate.
The excitement really lies in the inspiration we get from the real-world problems that companies like Texas Instruments are trying to solve. They keep us real. They make sure that we work on relevant problems that 10 years out will be part of their business.
Another part of the value network is a close relationship with key customers.
By bringing in customers' R&D centers earlier in the game, we can get more validation of what we are doing in terms of commercial value and benefits to customer in a more tangible way and a better understanding of what really is more important for end users of all these ideas and all these innovations.
Innovating breakaway and disruptive technologies is an essential element for a company's growth, especially at Texas Instruments. With an emphasis on a shorter cycle to product development, TI's Silicon Valley Labs are a key component in the company's success.
Many companies think of R&D as one thing, like it's one word, R&D. But it's actually 2 words, research and development. Silicon Valley Labs is all about the former. How do we research? How do we think of the world in a different way? How do we think of the problem in a different way and come up with new solutions that perhaps nobody's even thinking about today? That research is going to help drive TI's growth and help drive customer solutions in the future.
One key goal of TI Silicon Valley Labs is to give the company a competitive advantage in the marketplace.
If we want to get ahead of the competition, if we want to create products and services that the competition takes a long time to copy or maybe not even be able to copy, we need a group of people that's thinking about the customer's problem at a different level. Instead of solving a power problem on the board, thinking about the box or the building or the whole system. Silicon Valley Labs does that. They think at a holistic system level.
With its focus on disruptive innovations, TI Silicon Valley Labs are allowing Texas Instruments to develop intellectual property that takes analog and mixed signal technology beyond today's markets.
Innovation is everybody's job. Through disruptive innovation, we can not only expand our share of the existing TAM, but also expanding the total available market by bringing new ideas and new opportunities which are not being looked at today or not considered as part of analog mixed signal TAM.
To me, this looks like a new spark to the Valley, a new collaboration that could actually be seen not just on this campus and on Texas Instruments campus, but in the whole Valley.
And with the acquisition of National Semiconductor and the opening today of TI Silicon Valley Labs, I think it makes a very simple statement. We're here, and we're here to stay.